you writing skills. In writing skills, you will learn about sentence and kinds of sentences. In kinds of sentences, I will discuss about declarative sentence, imperative sentence, interrogative sentence and exclamatory sentence. What is sentence? A sentence is a set of words that is complete in itself and will contain a subject and a verb. Now we will see kinds of sentences. First, I would like to discuss about declarative sentence. Declarative sentence. A declarative sentence declares a fact. It always ends with a full stop. Declarative sentence may be positive or negative. Now see example. Jack is very attentive in class. That is positive sentence. I do not understand the exceptions to the rule. This is negative sentence. Second, imperative sentence. An imperative sentence is a command or a polite request and may end with a full stop or an exclamation mark. Example, please be seated. End with full stop and polite request. Leave the classroom at once. Here you can see exclamation mark. Okay. So this is called imperative sentence. Next, interrogative sentence. An interrogative sentence asks a question and always ends in a question mark. Example, what is your name? You can see question mark. Second, will your parents pick you up after school? Exclamatory sentence. An exclamatory sentence is used to denote excitement or any such strong feeling and ends with an exclamation mark. Example, oh my God, what a lovely weather. You can see exclamation mark. Oh, such a cute baby. So here again you can see exclamation mark. So students, for better understanding, please look at this video.
Hello friends, welcome to the free grammar lessons. Today, we are going to learn about sentences, what they actually are, and different types of sentences. So let's get started. What exactly is a sentence? Sentence is a group of words and it is having three important characteristics. Firstly, it expresses a complete thought or idea. For example, blue sky is the. This is a group of words, but is it conveying any meaning? No. So, it's not a sentence. Now, rearranging the same words, we can get a meaningful sentence. The sky is blue. Now, we get to know about the color of sky from the sentence. And as it is conveying the meaning, it's a sentence. Second very important characteristic of a sentence is that it must have a subject and a verb. Now, there's a catch here. Sometimes subject is not given but understandable. For example, put the book there. Here the subject is not given but you is implied subject here. Third and the most important characteristic of a sentence is that the meaning of any sentence may be different based on different expressions. Now this expression may be of a statement, a question, a command or any exclamation. Based on different meanings or thoughts, sentences are mainly divided into four types. First, declarative sentences. Second, interrogative sentences. Third, imperative sentences. And fourth, exclamatory sentences. Let's understand each of them. First, declarative sentences. Declarative sentences tell information about anything and they end with a period. For example, a dog is man's best friend. Here, we are telling an information based on experiences that a dog is always a best friend of man. The sandwich is very tasty. Here, we are telling an information about the taste of sandwich. She is a beautiful girl. Here, we are defining or informing the beauty of a girl. Notice, all of them end with a period. So, declarative sentences just state facts. Let's look into next sentence type. Interrogative sentences. Interrogative sentences are used to ask a question. They end with a question mark. We use who, what, when, where, why and how, which are W5H words, while asking question. For example, who are you? Where is my book? How are you? Will you be my friend? So whenever you are asking question, you are using an interrogative sentence. Let's look into next type of sentence. Imperative sentences. An imperative sentence gives command or ask for request. They end with period or exclamation mark depending on how forcefully you say any sentence. If sentence is spoken more forcefully, an exclamation mark is used, otherwise a period is used. For example, put the key in the drawer. Wait for me. Please leave your footwear outside. So whenever you are giving any command or asking for any help or request, imperative sentences are used. Let's look into next and the final type of sentence, which are exclamatory sentences. Exclamatory sentences are used to express strong emotions or feeling. They end with an exclamation mark. When you are surprised or when you are happy or when you are angry, you use exclamation to express your emotion. For example, that is a huge fish. Here, we are expressing our emotion of surprise after seeing the size of fish. What a beautiful day. Here, we are expressing our emotion of happiness after having a very nice day. He is such a nice boy. Here, we are expressing our emotion of satisfaction after meeting a very nice boy. So, exclamatory sentences are used in case of strong emotions or feeling. That's all about sentences in this video. Let's quickly revise what we have learned in this lesson. Firstly, we understood what a sentence is. Sentence is a group of words with three characteristics. It describes a complete thought. It must have a subject and a verb. though sometimes subject may be understandable. Third, and very important, every sentence may have different meaning or thought to convey. Then we discussed about 4 types of sentences based on different thoughts. First, declarative sentences which just give information and end with a period sign. Second, interrogative sentences which are used to ask questions and end with a question mark. Third, imperative sentences which gives command or ask for request and end with a period or exclamation mark. And fourth, exclamatory sentences which expresses strong feelings or emotions and end with a exclamation mark. That's all in this video. Thank you for watching the video. If you have any questions or need any grammar lesson, please message me in the comment section. If the video helped you, please hit the like button. Do share the video with others so they can learn, and do subscribe to the channel to get regular update about the course.
Now students, I will discuss about the questions that is based on previous video. Question number 1, define writing skills in your own words. Writing skills form an integral part of communication. Good writing skills are essential if you want to convey your message clearly and effectively to large and scattered audience. Second question is, what do you understand by coherent and concrete in 7C's communication? Coherent, ensure that your message makes sense to the receiver. Concrete, don't be vague. Be specific and be ready with the factual data to support your message. Third question is, explain verb phrase with example. A verb phrase will contain the main verb and the helping verb. Example, you must return home immediately. Second example, the children are playing the last match for the day. What do you understand by phrases and how many types of phrases are there? Answer, a phrase is a group of words that together forms a single unit and is a part of the bigger units like clauses and sentences. A phrase may be long or short but does not contain subject verb pair and hence does not convey a complete meaning or thought. Example, noun phrase, verb phrase, prepositional phrase, infinitive phrase, participle phrase, gerund phrase and absolute phrase. Homework for today is, write one example of each of the following kinds of sentences: declarative positive, imperative request, interrogative, declarative negative, imperative command, exclamatory.